Hi everybody, welcome. It is Juliet here and it is the 10th of the month, which means it is time to look inside the Potomac Beads treasure box for the month of November. So if you don't know what that is, this is a monthly subscription box that contains a themed and curated collection of beads that kind of all go together. They fit around a theme and it changes every month. You never know what you're going to get. Sometimes you get limited edition beads. You get things that aren't necessarily available on Potomac Beads website, and it's always a surprise, and they're very good value. So these boxes do contain more value than what you pay for the box, which is great. And they do have different lengths of subscriptions. I'll put a link down below if you're interested to find out more about all of that. They have a second type of box as well, which is a kit box, which comes with 3 different projects and the materials and instructions to make that. There are different prices, and it also depends like how long of a subscription you take. But anyway, this is the treasure box for this month. And I did get a little free gift of some Jet Full AB Iris Duos. You may get a different gift, and sometimes you don't get a gift. It just depends. But usually if you check inside the padded envelope, there is a gift in there, okay? All right, so let's see what this month's theme is. Leaf season, okay. This month's box is all about celebrating leaf season, that breathtaking moment when the air turns crisp and the trees transform into a tapestry of golds, ambers, and deep reds. This month's collection is filled with beautiful maple leaves, Czech glass, crystals, seed beads, delicas, gemstones, and more, all chosen to capture the rich, earthy warmth of autumn. Okay, so sounds very nice. And if you flip over to the back, you get a little inventory of everything in the box. So you can see you get a good number of items here. I mean, that's 14 items, I believe. 16 items actually. So you're getting 16 items inside the box, which is very good. And this is what it looks like. So everything's kind of bagged up. That's interesting. We're getting a little ruler and a necklace. That's pretty. Looks like, as I said, kind of warm autumnal tones. All right, I'll take everything out and we'll take a closer look. Okay, so here is everything that is in the box, and it's really pretty with all the cranberries and these kind of muted greens and different shades of gold. Very, very pretty. Okay, so let's begin up here. So first we are getting some Azuki seed beads, silver lined light rose, and these are 8 O's. So you're getting a pack of those. And we're also getting some Azuki seed beads 11 O's, which are dark bronze. So that's a nice color there. And you get, you know, a decent amount there. Okay, so some seed beads, and then we are also getting here some round duos. So these are 2 whole beads. They are 5 millimeters round, and they have 2 parallel holes that run through them. And this color is called Turquoise Picasso, and you're getting a pack of 40. So they're very pretty. They kind of have like a little, looks like a little silver accent on them, along with the brown Picasso. Very, very pretty color. Okay, so you, like I said, you get 40 of those. Then we are also getting here some gemstones. So these are rainbow agate, 8 millimeter, and they're just different colors. Really pretty. All different colors. Love those. Then here we have some Eva beads. So again, these are 2-hole beads. These are the lava red color, and we're getting 12. So they have 2 holes running through them this direction. Okay, so you can put them together in different formations when you're beading, you know, like this, or you can stack them together like this, or you can put them together to form a square, like, you know, there's different ways to join them together to form different shapes. So that's what's fun about those. Love that lava red color as well. Really, really nice. Here we have some 2mm Potomac pearls. These are so tiny. They're lovely. These are the cranberry colors. So yeah, very, very little dinky little pearls. Really rich red. Very, very pretty. Burgundy, I should say. Or, well, it's not really a burgundy. It's more like a scarlet, I would say. Dark scarlet color. Okay, then we're getting 2 cup buttons in the Topaz AB Apricot. So they are cupped up on this side. They are domed on the other side. So you're getting 2 of those. These make great little clasps. You know, you can just make a loop and then have the little button at the end, and so really good for like necklaces and things. And then here we have some Czech glass maple leaves, and these are like an opaque red, 11 by 13mm. Aren't those gorgeous? Just love the shape of these. I think they're so pretty, and the stamping on them, so pretty. It looks like you got a fair number. Let me see, 15, I believe, at a quick glance. Okay, and next up we are getting a waxed cotton cord chain. It's finished, it's brown. Looks to be about 18 inches, I would say, and it has already got a extension chain and a lobster claw clasp on it, so it's ready to go. You can just slip a pendant or whatever you want onto that cord, so that's very useful. We are getting some Delicas, opaque glazed burnt orange. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Can you see the kind of AB color popping through on them? They're really, really pretty, these. I don't know if it's picking up the kind of slight rainbow reflection that I'm getting, but yeah, really, really pretty. So you just get a few grams of those. Really, really lovely. I love those. These are some Potomac crystal ingots, is what they're calling these. So they're kind of rectangles. Hole runs through that way, and they're in different shades of like kind of gold, blue, green, different shades, metallic shades. Super pretty. I love those. They're really shiny. And I really like the shape of those as well. Got a little bit of plastic or something there. Okay, then we are getting 2 infinite clasps. Sorry. These are just little clasps that they have a little loop right here, and they fit together. They're just push clasps, so you just push the 2 halves together, and then to open it you will squeeze the little thing to open it. And the reason these are called infinite clasps is because they come in multiple different colors. So we have the antique brass plated color, and you're getting 2 of those, but then they also fit these 10mm cabochons, and so you can order whatever color of cabochon you want. So really, between the finish and the cabochon color, there's like thousands of different color combinations you can come up with. So you're going to find something that's going to match your project. So all you would do here is just glue in a cabochon, and that matches your project, and then that's it. So we are getting some cabochons as well, which is very useful. You're getting 5. So even if you glue both into the clasps, you're still getting 5. You'll have 3 left over. These are lovely. I love this color. This is the white blue luster, and they are just beautiful, kind of mottled blue. Really, really lovely. I like that they added a little pop of blue in here as well. Okay, then here we have some crystal rondelles. These are 3mm round, and these are the jet. And you get a good number, 120 in a pack. So that should keep you going. Then here we have some Czech glass rondelles in this orange color. I don't know, it doesn't say. It just says cra. So I don't know what the cra means, but anyway, they are 3mm stringing length by 6mm wide. And that's kind of nice to have a little bit of bright light in this more muted, darker palette. And then for our tool this month, we are getting a little bead and stone size diameter measurer, and you'll get a little card. These are laser cut, so they have this protective film on them while they're being cut. Okay, so I already peeled the one off the back. There's a white one on the back, and then you can just, all you do is I just start pushing it with my thumbnail, okay, to get it going, and then it should quite easily peel off. You may have to peel off some little bits like within the wording, you know, like on the D and whatever. You may have a couple little bits to peel off there. Yeah, see how you can see here they got stuck in the O's and things, but you can very easily knock those off. All right, so that's everything that you're getting in this month's box. I hope you think it's as pretty as I do. Really love the muted tones in this one, and a lot of nice beads. I can't wait to come up with something for you. I will be making a project later in the month, so do subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.